na binigay. Puso ay nalumbay na kay tagal. Ngunit ngayon, ikaw, oh ikaw, ikaw at ako,
Ay aga.
ang ala-ala para sa'yo. Hello, Arnett, are you singing with me? One last time, I need to be the one who takes you home. One more time, I promise that I'll let you go. I'm gonna let you go.
Gichat kay Doc. Hi, Doc.